babysitter. His name Jeffy the Puppet. He was knocking at the door, but Mario says, "Hey, who are you?" "Mario, my name is Jeffy the Puppet."
Oh, that's very tired because everything the watching in TV. I'm so very tired, bored. Oh, hi guys, YouTubers. Am I actually watching TV in my Freddy Lupin Funniest Day show? Because I'm bored. So unofficially on the watching TV, I think a kind of this racing cars from the Minecart Racers 500 looking for. Hey, hold up a minute. You're right, guys. We're going to South Korea. We're going to looking for this minecart racers we've built and 10 racing cars of Minecart Racers 500. So unofficially, but before let's tell another peoples we're gonna make for this racing cars of Minecart Racers 500. So, but everything he's going to join the team. Now Alec Rayme and Brian Oerly, Jake Johnson, Damon Wayans Jr. And let's tell on the peoples we're gonna make of the Minecart Racers 500. Okay, let's take what I tell about the peoples. Okay, let's go outside.
Seconds later.
What's up? Oh, hello there, Anthony. Hi, Anthony. Jinga, where's another seat? Oh, he's right there, Anthony. Okay, thanks, Jinga. Oh, this is pretty awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the Zen coach. On the left side of the play, you can see our approaching new South Korea.
Ladies and gentlemen, now for our fourth league of drivers, the team of the racers beginning of the South Korea, who's revealed another race car of the stadium. And before you call Minecart Racers 500! Thank you very much. Thank you.